Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Please subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. Today I will show you how to remove a front bumper from a 2012 Ford Fusion. Okay, my bumper is non-repairable, too damaged to be fixed, so I got a new bumper. It's already painted and ready to be installed. What I will have to do, I just have to switch the fog lights and the front grille, and the lower grille will have to be just reinstalled to the new bumper, and then it's gonna be good. So I will show you exactly all the screws and the procedure how to do it. Okay, first open the front hood, and we'll start by removing these two trim screws. So these are the two on the one headlight, and we're doing the same on the other side. So this one and this one here. To remove these screws, you can use a flat screwdriver or something like this, just to pop it out. Yeah, I'm doing with one hand, so yeah, it's easy to pull them out. And once you removed those four screws, then we are moving to the other part. So we have a 10mm socket, this one, this one, this one, and this one right here. And once you remove those four, then also we have two trim screws. One is here and one is here. Okay, once you take out all the top screws, we are done with the top part. And then we'll do something similar on the bottom of the bumper. I will show you right now. Okay, so on the bottom we have, I believe, around 10 screws that have to be removed as well. So we'll try to show it to you. So each one of these screws has to be removed. I'll show you on the other side as well. So the same thing on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll basically see once you get under all the screws that are holding the bumper. You will need socket number 7 to remove those 10 screws on the bottom of the bumper. Once we have removed all the bottom screws, now we have 3 trim screws here on the side. So one is supposed to be here, but it's missing. One is here, and one is here on the top, and we have those 3 screws on both sides. If you can't access them, just turn the steering wheel to the left or to the right to get more space to work with. Okay, once you removed those screws on the side, you remove pretty much everything. Now we just have to take the bumper off. To pull it off on the side, just squeeze your hand here inside and pull it towards yourself, like this. Okay. And now we'll have to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so also squeeze your hand inside and just pull towards yourself. You have to pull a bit hard because it has these snap-ins here, so don't be afraid to pull it. Okay, that's it. And once that's done, come from the top part and you just pull the bumper off the vehicle. Yeah. Okay, my cable is stuck here. I'll have to take care of that, but that's the block heater cable. Pull it off the car, but don't pull too far away because you still have to disconnect your fog lights and your side marker light on each side of the bumper. You can see them here. Okay. Okay, this one has like a small snap here, a clip. Just push the clip and pull it straight out. It was probably never taken off, so it might take you some time to pull it off. And the other one, there's also a clip here on the side. Just press that clip as well and wiggle it a bit until it gets out. And okay, we'll do the same thing on the other side now. This one, there is a clip here to push. Just wiggle it. Okay, this one as well. Push the clip and just wiggle it a bit until it gets out. Okay. What I would also advise you before you install the new bumper, just clean those contacts with electric contact cleaner to make sure the connection is good. You can also replace, if you need to replace the fog light bulb, you can just turn this to the left side and you will get access to the bulb here as well. Okay, so the bumper is off. Now remember, in case you bought just the new bumper without the grille and the fog lights and the lower grille, you will also have to remove all of those parts. So they are removed from the back part. So the fog light assembly, it basically has those two clips. Just push those in, and you can push the fog light out. Same for the both fog lights. The upper grille has a couple of screws, 1, 2, and 2 on the other side, so 4 screws and a couple of clips here. So first remove those screws and then just push those clips from the inside out, and you'll be able to take that grille off. Same thing with the lower grille, also a bunch of clips which you just have to push out, and you'll be able to install all those parts on your new bumper. So when you're taking this bumper off, be careful you don't scratch those parts. I'm getting a new bumper with all those new pieces, so I don't care too much about these parts. But anyways, okay, so this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. If it was helpful, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you.